Hey guys, today I will show you how to install iNoCydia. So go to Safari, go to EMU for iOS, get iNoCydia. It will take you here. So it was jailbroken or jailbreak your iPhone device. And there you go. Then go to this one. Go to upload app. Go to upload app. And you must log in or sign up. Now you log in, then go to Safari slash go to this one. Press that one and this one. Add to home screen and name it Cyan or iNoCydia. And then there you go. When I open it, it will not do that one because I have already. Then go again, go iNoCydia my thing. There you go, it worked. I hope you enjoy. That's how to install iNoCydia, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos.